Arlo Smart Home Security Camera System. Indoor-outdoor cameras with night vision. Arlo Smart Home Security Cameras are the world's only 100% wire-free, HD, indoor-outdoor video cameras for home monitoring. Motion-activated cameras initiate automatic reporting and alert you via email or app notifications. Free apps enable remote monitoring from anywhere, and with the built-in night vision you'll even see in the dark. Mid-gear Arlo Smart Home Indoor-Outdoor HD Security Camera with 2-camera kit. Arlo cameras are the only 100% wire-free, completely wireless, HD smart home security cameras on the market. See in stunning detail with HD cameras. Patented 100% wire-free design for easy placement anywhere. Night vision cameras work even in the dark. Motion-activated cameras and real-time email or app notifications. Indoor-outdoor weatherproof cameras. Free apps to securely view live video while home or away. Smart home security. Easy setup, takes just minutes. Computer not required. Expandable add cameras as needed. 100% wireless and completely wire-free. Watch live streamed or recorded videos from your desktop, smartphone or tablet using Arlo's free app. 200 megabytes secure cloud storage included. View 4 video streams at the same time. Create and schedule smart home. And one base station, one location. Indoor-outdoor weatherproof cameras install easily for DIY security, so you can even monitor the exterior of your home. Motion-activated cameras and customizable activity alerts provide real-time email or app notifications while home or away. Patented 100% wire-free design and magnetic mounts. Let you discreetly place cameras where you want and monitor your home from every possible angle. Night vision cameras with HD clarity. What's in the box? 2 HD weatherproof security cameras with night vision. Arlo cameras go anywhere. Indoors or out, in daylight or darkness, they'll keep an HD eye on everything. Best security device I own. Simple and friendly to use. To purchase Arlo Smart Home Security Camera System, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.